Ever wondered what's happening under the hood of your car? Let's take a closer look. We're going to demystify the inner workings of your engine, revealing the secrets hidden beneath that metal casing. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate dance of parts that work together to power your vehicle. You get in your car every day without giving much thought to the complex processes that allow it to function. It's a seamless part of your routine, a reliable tool that gets you from point A to point B. You turn the key or push the start button, initiating a chain reaction that brings your engine to life. And just like that, it just goes. You accelerate, merge onto the highway, and continue with your day, often oblivious to the engineering marvel that's making it all possible. But what's really happening under there? What's the secret behind this seemingly effortless movement? It's not magic. There's no mystical force propelling your car forward. It's a mechanical marvel, a testament to human ingenuity and precision engineering. It's a symphony of controlled explosions, carefully orchestrated to generate power and propel your vehicle. Each component plays a crucial role, working in perfect harmony to deliver a smooth and efficient ride. Many people fear what they don't understand, and cars, with their complex systems and unfamiliar terminology, can be particularly intimidating. But knowledge is power, and understanding the basics of your car's engine can empower you to take better care of your vehicle and avoid costly mistakes. Today, I'll break down how your engine turns air and gasoline, two seemingly simple ingredients, into motion, plain and simple. We'll explore the fundamental principles that govern your engine's operation, stripping away the complexity and revealing the core concepts. This isn't just for gearheads or seasoned mechanics. You don't need to be a car expert to benefit from this knowledge. Every car owner, regardless of their mechanical background, should know the basics of how their engine works. It's a fundamental aspect of responsible car ownership. Understanding your engine helps you spot problems early, before they escalate into major issues. This early detection can save you a significant amount of money and avoid costly repairs down the road. You'll learn why some driving habits like gentle acceleration and regular maintenance help your car last longer, extending its lifespan and maximizing its value. And you'll also discover which habits do the opposite, potentially causing premature wear and tear on your engine. By the end of this explanation, you'll know the basics. You'll have a solid foundation of knowledge about the key components and processes that make your engine tick. We're talking pistons, the heart of your engine, spark plugs, the igniters of combustion, the exhaust system, responsible for expelling waste gases, and more. You won't be intimidated by your car's strange sounds or unusual quirks. You'll be able to interpret them with newfound confidence. You'll know what's going on under the hood, empowering you to make informed decisions about your car's maintenance and repair. This knowledge will not only save you money on costly repairs, but also reduce the stress and anxiety associated with car ownership. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started on this journey of automotive discovery. At the heart of most gasoline cars, the engine tirelessly works to convert fuel into motion. And the most common type of engine found in these vehicles is based on a brilliant and relatively simple concept, the four-stroke cycle. This cycle is the fundamental process that allows your car to move, and it's a testament to engineering ingenuity. It's often described with four simple words: suck, squeeze, bang, blow. These words represent the four distinct strokes or phases that occur within each cylinder of the engine. Each stroke plays a vital role in the overall process of converting gasoline into the power that propels your vehicle forward. Here's how it works, broken down step by step, so you can understand the magic happening under the hood. We'll explore each of these phases in detail, revealing the precise mechanics and timing that make it all possible. First, the intake stroke, suck, draws in air and fuel. As the piston moves down, it creates a vacuum, pulling a mixture of air and fuel into the cylinder. This precise mixture is crucial for efficient combustion. In modern cars, this is usually achieved through fuel injection, while older cars might use a carburetor. Next, the compression stroke, squeeze, packs that mixture tightly. The piston moves upwards, compressing the air-fuel mixture into a much smaller volume. This compression increases the temperature and pressure, making it ready for ignition. The higher the compression ratio, the more power the engine can potentially produce. Then comes the power stroke, bang, where the spark plug ignites the mix, creating an explosion that drives the piston down. The rapid expansion of gases from the combustion forces the piston downwards with considerable force. This is where the chemical energy of the fuel is converted into mechanical energy. This is the moment that actually powers your car. The downward motion of the piston turns the crankshaft, which in turn transmits power to the wheels via the transmission. Finally, the exhaust stroke, blow, pushes out the burnt gases. The exhaust valve opens, the piston rises, and waste gases exit through the tailpipe. These gases are the byproducts of combustion, and are expelled from the cylinder to make way for the next cycle. As soon as that's done, the cycle repeats, thousands of times a minute. The faster the engine runs, the more frequently these cycles occur, resulting in more power output. Every step sets up the next, but only the bang creates power. It's the only stroke that actively contributes to the rotation of the crankshaft and, ultimately, the movement of your car. That's the four-stroke symphony happening every time you drive. It's a carefully orchestrated sequence of events, precisely timed and executed to deliver power to your wheels. Simple, powerful, and the foundation of your engine. Despite its simplicity, the four-stroke cycle is incredibly efficient and reliable, making it the workhorse of the automotive world. Now let's meet the parts making it all happen. We'll take a closer look at the key components that work together to execute this four-stroke symphony, from the pistons and valves to the crankshaft and camshaft. Let's meet the main actors in your engine. The engine block is the foundation, housing the cylinders where the action happens. Inside each cylinder, pistons move up and down, driven by explosions. Piston rings seal the gap, keeping gases in and oil out. Connecting rods link pistons to the crankshaft. The crankshaft turns the pistons' up and down motion into spinning force. Think of it like bicycle pedals turning your effort into wheel movement. At the top of each cylinder are valves, intake and exhaust, opening and closing at precise moments. The spark plug sits above, firing a spark to ignite the fuel-air mix. Each part works in perfect timing to create power and keep your engine running smoothly. Miss a beat and the whole system suffers. That's your engine's cast of characters. Here's how those explosions actually move your car. The bang forces the piston down, transferring energy through the connecting rod to the crankshaft. The crankshaft's offset design turns that force into rotation. Counterweights keep things balanced, smoothing out the engine's motion. Multiple pistons fire in sequence, blending their power into a steady spin. The crankshaft's rotation is sent to the flywheel, which further smooths things out. The flywheel connects to the transmission, which manages gears and sends power to the wheels. Every drive starts with a spark, a bang, and a chain reaction that spins your tires. It's a seamless transfer of energy from explosion to motion. That's the magic under your hood. No magic required. Now let's talk about how your driving habits affect all this. We've all wanted to floor it at a green light, but here's why that's a bad habit. Flooring the gas dumps extra fuel and air into the engine, creating maximum power and maximum stress. Constant hard acceleration wears out pistons, rods, and bearings much faster. It also overheats your engine, breaking down oil and risking damage to metal parts. Your fuel economy tanks too. Rapid acceleration burns way more gas. Engines are most efficient under light, steady loads. Gentle driving keeps temperatures and pressures in check, saving you money on repairs and fuel. Save the hard launches for emergencies. Smooth, gradual acceleration is the secret to a long-lasting engine. Your wallet and your car will thank you, but sometimes high RPMs can actually help. Here's how. We often think of gentle driving as the best approach for our cars, and in many ways that's true. But sometimes, surprisingly, running your engine at higher RPMs is actually good for it. It can be a beneficial practice that helps maintain its overall health and performance. This is often called an Italian tune-up, a slightly whimsical name for a practical procedure. It involves safely letting your engine work harder for a short time, pushing it a bit beyond its usual comfort zone to achieve a specific cleaning effect. Think of it as a workout for your engine. Short, slow trips, especially those common in city driving, can cause carbon deposits to form and accumulate. This is because the engine doesn't always reach its optimal operating temperature during these short bursts. These deposits can build up inside your engine, particularly on valves and pistons, potentially affecting performance and fuel efficiency over time. A good run at higher RPMs under the right conditions heats things up significantly, raising the temperature of the engine components. This intense heat helps in burning off some of that accumulated carbon, essentially cleaning the engine internally. The exhaust system also benefits from this process. It's like clearing your throat. Sometimes you need a strong cough to dislodge any obstructions and ensure smooth breathing. So, what's the right way to perform this tune-up? The key is to accelerate briskly on a highway on-ramp, taking advantage of the open space to safely increase your speed. Or, Find a clear and open road where you have ample visibility and minimal traffic. Once you're in a safe environment, let the engine rev higher than usual for a few minutes, maintaining a consistent speed. However, it's crucial to remember, don't redline it. That's where you risk causing damage. Instead, just let it work comfortably in the upper middle range of the RPM band, where it can effectively burn off deposits without being strained. Aim to do this every few weeks as part of your regular car maintenance routine. This proactive approach will help keep your engine cleaner, more responsive, and running better for longer. It's also important to avoid revving the engine in neutral. This doesn't provide the necessary load for effective cleaning. Always perform this procedure under load while driving, ensuring the engine is working against resistance. In conclusion, the Italian tune-up is a simple yet effective way to help your engine stay healthy, efficient, and performing at its best. Sometimes your engine needs extra help. Enter fuel system cleaners. A quality cleaner dissolves deposits in fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Dirty injectors disrupt the fuel spray, hurting power and efficiency. Carbon on valves soaks up fuel, causing rough running and hesitation. A good cleaner, especially one with PA, restores proper flow and combustion. Just pour it into your gas tank before filling up and drive as usual. The cleaner circulates, scrubbing away gunk as you use the tank. Use a bottle every 3,000–5,000 miles or with each oil change. It's cheap, easy maintenance that keeps your engine running smoother and longer. Don't fall for snake oil. Choose reputable brands. Combine this with smart habits for the best results. Let's wrap up with simple tips for a long-lasting engine. Change your oil on time. Oil is your engine's lifeblood. Check and replace coolant and air filters as needed. A clean air filter keeps dirt out and performance up. Listen to your car. New noises or vibrations mean something's wrong. Fix small problems early to avoid big, expensive ones. Drive smoothly. Avoid jackrabbit starts and aggressive acceleration. Give your car a good highway run now and then to clear out carbon. Let your car warm up for 30 seconds before driving, especially in cold weather. These small habits add up to big savings and reliability. A little care goes a long way. Be an attentive owner, and your car will reward you. Now let's keep learning. We've covered the basics, but this is just the start of your journey as a smarter car owner. Knowing how your engine works means you're less likely to get ripped off at the repair shop. You can ask better questions and spot unnecessary services. Keep learning. Open the hood, get familiar with your car's parts. Knowledge is your best tool for saving money and avoiding stress. If you found this helpful, check out my other guides and videos for more tips. The more you know, the more confident and in control you'll be. Don't stop here. Keep that curiosity going. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little knowledge goes a long way. Now go out there and be a smarter driver.